Welcome. Are you a small business owner? Are you a teacher? Are you a contractor, an architect, an engineer, a parent? Then you have all the answers that I can give to you today. I am Carole Baggerly, Director of Grassroots Health, and the purpose of this session today is to provide answers to the question that we frequently get asked is, what does it take for grassroots health to move research into practice so that you can have the benefits of nutrients such as vitamin D in a few years versus 25 or more? That is a very big question, and we have been able to successfully demonstrate this moving research into practice in some major medical institutions, specifically around the issue of preterm births. I'm very delighted to currently be working at the Medical University of South Carolina doing exactly that. And the key tools that it takes, or the key mental set, if you wanted to call it that, is making the match. You have to know all of the pieces when you're building a building, when you're constructing a curriculum, when you're doing any of these things. And those pieces are from the basics, such as, in our case, knowing the physicians, what's their job, knowing the staff, what are they expected to do, and how, and with what. The patients. Example, one day I sat in a waiting room of the hospital and watched 100% of all of the patients use their cell phones for messaging. Well, there's a big tool that we need to be able to use. You have to set a goal, obviously, what it is you're trying to do. And in this case, we are trying to get all patients tested for their vitamin D levels and supplemented as necessary to get them to the 40 to 60 nanogram per milliliter that is necessary for good pregnancy health. With those goals in mind, we then take all the tools that are necessary in order to build the materials that are necessary for the patients to use, the doctors to use, the staff to use. And an extremely important component is called feedback. How's it working? At every step of the way. Are people taking the supplements? Are the doctors ordering the tests? Are people learning more about vitamin D? Is the health improving? The answer we have after about a year and a half is yes, it is indeed. So making the match essentially is the answer. Building a business, think of it that way. Being a parent, knowing, again, making the match is the key to success. Have a beautiful day.